Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a fun recipe for you today. I like to eat salad, and salad sucks unless you have a good salad dressing on it. And that's what we're making today. Good, nay, great salad dressing. One of my favorite salad dressings, all the way from when I was a little kid to right before I went vegan, is ranch dressing. But unfortunately, that is not vegan. And the ones that they sell in the store are very expensive. Example, the Deo dressing. They have blue cheese, they have ranch, they have another white one. I don't know what the name of it is. I just know different color white dressings. Over $5 for a small bottle of dressing. That's nuts. I can't afford my salad habit for $5 a bottle. So we're going to make a really simple one right now. And I got to give a shout out to Michael Monson of Monson Made This.
Woo!
Michael, thank you. You made my life a hell of a lot easier. I did not know these things existed. And I found them on Amazon. This is a plastic mason jar lid. Don't you hate the metal jar lids on these? Because they're two parts. I feel like I'm putting a diaper on this thing.
They get all rusty.
They get rusty. They clanky. You can't lift the thing off because it's like suction down. And thank you, Michael. This has changed my life. I have bought so many of these in the last couple months. I think my husband's ready to throw me out. But I still have more to buy because I have a lot of jars. All right, let's make this. It's very simple. We're going to start off with a base of vegan mayo. It doesn't have to be Hellmann's. It could be it could be Vegenaise, any kind of vegan mayo. And yes, this is not a health food. It's got a lot of mayo in it. I'm doing this with a knife because I hate spoons for clumpy stuff like this because it gets caught in the spoon and I hate that. I guess it's like a OCD thing of mine. But we're going to knife in a half a cup at least of mayo.
Ugh, I hate mayo.
But you love this.
Yeah, I know, but this part is making me sick.
Right? And the fun thing about this is it has the measurements right on here. So I don't have to clean a measuring cup, which is even worse. All right, that seems like it's about half a cup. All right, so we've got our mayo in there. She doesn't like mayo, so what do? We add seasonings to it so it doesn't taste like mayo. We have some granulated garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but I find like this lasts in the refrigerator longer and gives more flavor. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of garlic. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of granulated onion. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of dill weed. Love it. If you don't like dill, and I know there's some people out there who don't like it, put dried parsley in instead because it's mostly aesthetic, but this is mostly for the flavor. We're also going to do a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Very simple. Then there's only 2 more ingredients. The acid, that's going to break down the fat in the mayo. I like apple cider vinegar, but you could use like any other vinegar. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. And it's got the mother in there, so it's making it come out a little bit slow. If you don't get the measurements exact, it's still going to work. Don't worry. It's very forgiving. And then we're going to do double the milk. Don't use a vanilla milk. Use an unsweetened regular. Otherwise, it's going to taste like a dessert salad dressing.
Ew.
I know. I didn't want to think about that. So we're going to do 4 of this. And it might be a little bit loosey-goosey at first, but the vinegar in the vinegar is going to react with the milk and make it into like a buttermilk, so it's going to make the milk thicker. So if it's loosey-goosey at first, don't worry. It's going to firm up after you leave it in the fridge for a little while. So all you have to do is put the lid on and shake it, baby. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it until your arm's gonna fall off.
Huh.
See, now it's pretty loose, but like I tell you, it's gonna thicken up because of the reaction between the milk and the vinegar. All right, let's let that sit for a minute, and then we'll dress our salad. All right, it's sat here for a little bit, and you can see it's already thick. T-H-I-C-C. Beautiful.
Ooh.
So this is great on falafel. It's great on salad. It's great on everything. You could dip veggies in there. You could make it a little bit thicker, as you know, put more mayo as a dip. But that is like the perfect consistency, because you don't want it too thick, because then you're just going to be eating too much dressing. And let's be honest, this is still like 100 p fat. So
Yeah, I wouldn't be drinking gallons of this.
no. So there it is, and we're going to get Maddie to taste it now.
Oh, for real?
For real.
I'm still wearing a towel on my hair.
All right, here we go, Towel.
Yum, yum, yum.
Exposed Valley
good.
Ranch.
Yeah. This smells so good. Damn!
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Every day of the week.
Oh, it's so good. And I don't even think, like, that's mayonnaise.
Right. It just tastes like ranch.
Mm.
You could do a lot of variations on that as well.
I love that.
You know, depending on what spices you wanted to
You
put
know what?
in there.
Yeah, you know what else this would be good with?
What?
Pizza!
Yeah!
Right?
Pizza and vegan wings.
Mm.
Like buffalo.
Mhm.
Yeah. Definitely.
So good.
All right. There you have it.
Let us know if you guys give it a try, or if you want to see more recipes like this, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already. So thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, much love.